Hi everybody, my name is Samantha and I'm going to be reading the book Eating the Alphabet by Lois Ehlert. So, A is for apricot, artichoke, avocado, apple, and asparagus. B is for blueberry, bean, Brussels sprout, beet, broccoli, and banana. C is for currant, corn, celery, and cucumbers, cabbage, cherry, carrots, and cauliflower. I don't know about you, but I love just about all of the stuff that I mentioned so far. D is for dates, E is for endive, eggplants, and F is for figs. G is for gooseberries, never had those, grapefruit, grapes, and H for huckleberries, or huckleberry. I is for Indian corn, J for jalapeno and jicama, K is for kumquat, kiwi fruit, and kohlrabi. L is for leek, lemon, lettuce, and lime. M is for melon, mango, N is for nectarine, O for orange, okra, and onion. P is for pineapple, peach, pear, papaya, persimmon, plum, and pomegranate. Oh, more P's. P is also for parsnip, potato, pea, pepper, and pumpkin. Q is for quince. It's like a little pear. R is for rutabaga, raspberry, radish, rhubarb, and radicchio. S is for Swiss chard, spinach, starfruit, strawberry, and T is for turnip, tangerine, and tomato. U is for ugly fruit. Never heard of it. V is for vegetable marrow. W for watercress and watermelon. X is for zigua. Y is for yam, and Z for zucchini. How much of the alphabet can you eat?